Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to hide your followers on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok application. Now once you come to your main profile, tap on the three lines icon that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, go to the option of privacy. Now over here, you'll see the option of private account, and in my case, you can see that the toggle for this option is turned off, which means that every user on TikTok will be able to see my personal details and videos and also followers and following list on my TikTok account. So in order to turn that off, simply turn on the toggle for this private account option. So let's turn this toggle on. Now, once you turn this toggle on, only your followers will be able to see your followers and following list on your TikTok account, including your reposted videos and your liked videos. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll see the option of following list here. So if you tap on that option, you can see two of these options. So if you choose on only you, then only you will be able to see your following list on TikTok. However, there's no option on TikTok that will enable you to hide your followers list on TikTok, but you can hide your following list on TikTok. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.